Hi, I'm Dr. Rupert Suckling. I'm Director of Public Health here in Doncaster. This week we've seen the COVID-19 rates in Doncaster remain largely static. They're still in the high 300s, and currently our rate is 374.1 per 100,000 people. This covers the period of the 8th to the 14th of August. And our positivity rate, the percentage of people who have a test who test positive, is currently 11.3%. It's good that these rates aren't rising quickly, but we have seen a clear rise in the number of people aged over 60 who are now getting the virus. This is a cause for concern, as we know that COVID-19 does have a greater impact on people's health in that age group. So we all need to be mindful of this when we're out and about, and particularly if you fit into that age range. As you'll have seen, the guidance on self-isolation has changed this week. Further details about these changes can be found on our website, but in summary, anyone who's been identified as a close contact of a positive case no longer has to self-isolate, providing they've been fully vaccinated or under the age of 18 and are not displaying any COVID-19 symptoms. Instead, you'll be advised to take a PCR test as soon as possible, and if this is negative, you don't need to take any further action unless you go on to develop symptoms. There are slightly different rules for those people that are working in health and social care, and we'd urge you to follow that guidance. However, it's still important to stress that if you have tested positive for COVID-19, you still do need to self-isolate for 10 days. We know that self-isolation still has a critical role to play in helping us manage the spread of the virus, and so it's vital that if you're asked to isolate by NHS Test and Trace or by local contact tracers, you do so. And the team are working incredibly hard to not only monitor but stop the spread of the virus unnecessarily here in Doncaster. And if you are contacted, please do work with them to give them the information they need. Don't forget, help and support is available, and further details on this can also be found on our website should you need to self-isolate. Equally, if you're a close contact who's tested negative and are able to go about your daily life as normal under the new guidance, we'd still urge you to take extra precautions. Follow the hands, face, space and ventilate guidance, and take regular lateral flow tests at home or in the workplace. There's still opportunities to get vaccinated, and I'd encourage everyone to make sure they're fully vaccinated with both doses. Anyone over the age of 16 can now come forward for their first dose in Doncaster, and by vaccinating as many people as possible now, we can hope we can minimise the disruption over the winter. Thanks once again for your support and everything you're doing to keep yourselves and families safe. Let's keep going together, and we can do it for Doncaster. Thank you.